Hello mga kabro, mga kabagis, tapos na po kaming ito na po yung update ng yung landscape namin. Here's the update of our landscape. If you're new in my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Praise Lord Hagibis. God bless you all. Yeah. So it will bloom, the lily will bloom on summer. That one is new one. It's the new one. The other one. And there's the tulips. It's grown up already. This one is lily. Really, thank you for watching. God bless you all. And my wife.
Hello.
Planting. My son is trimming yard. Ito. And all this on curb appeal. Ano lang, it's done already.
Silicone oil dyan?
Yan po. Here's the simple landscape. You can do it also by yourself. I just put elephant ear. Lagyan ko ng kanyan, gabi. Taro, ikulit taro. Yan po. Done already. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe. Praise Lord Hagibis. There's a very nice lily. We'll go there and we'll wait it will bloom on this coming summer. Yun. Ito yan. Farm. Bye. God bless you all. Ito tayo ulit dito sa tulips. Yung mga mahilig na ka-garden dyan, gaya namin, plantina. Okay. Ayan. Okay na. Ayan po. Hintayin na lang na magbo-bloom yung mga lily in summer. Ayan. Done. Landscape. Pag ganito na alas 7, mataas pa rin ang araw. 6:30 na. Hanggang alas 8 mataas pa rin ang araw kasi spring, magsasummer na ang tama. Springtime, gardening time, landscaping time, cleaning the yard. Okay, bye bye. God bless you all. Praise Lord Agibis. Please like, comment, and subscribe.